In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your PayPal account limits and the process to lift them. Whether you're a seasoned PayPal user or a newcomer, understanding and controlling your account limits is crucial for managing your finances smoothly. First, let's begin by navigating to the PayPal website. Open your web browser and head over to PayPal's homepage. Once you're there, look for the login button at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will lead you to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your email address and password. This step is crucial as it ensures that you access your personal PayPal account securely. After entering your login details, click on the login button to proceed. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. Now locate the profile icon typically found in the upper right hand corner of the interface and give it a click. A drop down menu will appear where you need to select Account Settings. This area of your PayPal account is like the control center where you can manage various settings related to your account. Within the account settings, direct your attention to Account Access. This section is pivotal as it contains options to manage your account's capabilities, including limits. So go ahead and click there. Now look for an option labeled Limits. PayPal sets limits to protect your account, but increasing flexibility often requires managing these settings. Once you're in the limits section, you will see a View button. Click on this button. This action allows you to see the current limits associated with your account and provides pathways to adjust them if necessary. From here, click on Lift Limits. This is an important step that will enable you to request enhancements to your PayPal capabilities, such as higher transaction limits or additional features. PayPal might prompt you at this point to link your bank account. This step is essential because linking a bank account not only helps in verifying your identity, but also provides an additional layer of security to your transactions. Moreover, having your bank account connected to PayPal can increase your transaction limits, giving you more options and flexibility for your financial activities. By following these steps, you'll have successfully managed your PayPal account limits, and with the prompt to link your bank account, you're on your way to lifting those restrictions. This completes today's guide on navigating and enhancing your PayPal account restrictions. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Keep managing your finances wisely and see you in the next tutorial.